Hi, I want to show you an app I have created for viewing JSON file. Basically, JSON is a JavaScript format, and the best hard to see what in a file, what data in a file. So I created an app that flatten JSON structure and show it as a table. I call it Json Table Viewer. This is my website. I will leave it in the description to download. You will double click on the download button and wait until it will be downloaded in a moment. Yep. And click on Setup, Archive, then double click on MSI. This screen is because I'm not registered publisher. See, like I'm no publisher here, so this is like Windows giving like a message because I'm no publisher. Click Run anyway, click on Next, Install to start the installation and finish. And you can see like Json Viewer appeared on my desktop. I can double click on it and app will start it. Now to open JSON file, click now select input file, navigate to JSON, for this one. And you can see that there is it's showing JSON file as a data table with all JSON fields as a columns and in it, and I can see like all the JSON file contains like all United States, and also I can export it as different format as Excel, Word, or web page, or CSV or text if I needed to. Yeah, so basically that's it. Please give it a try and let me know if it works for you. Thank you.